it is a CAF Champions League between Mamelodi Sundowns and Al-Hilal. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns 2 and Al-Hilal 2. So this was the match that was supposed to be actually be won available by Inter Mamelodi Sundowns, because first of all they are playing at home, and second of all they played a very beautiful football. It is just a thing they didn't convert the chances that they had. And to Al-Hilal, I'll just love to say like this is the match which it is beautiful from their side also, and it is the result that they'll be graceful with available at all. So to them it was a thing it was a game plan about this. This is what happens when like a game plan of a coach available reflect on the field. So it was a thing they were supposed to play very low block and try to counter them with like Amanto counter attacks available when Mamelodi Sundowns actually loses the ball, and that is what they actually did very well, and which is why they even had a chance to actually score their first goal, and they didn't waste any chances. They even got 2 shots on target on this match, and they made sure like they used both of them.